Okay, so let's start today's class. ব্যাচ 3 11 ব্যাচ 3 ওখানে উপপাদ্য ওর কলটা অনেক কেটে যাচ্ছে ব্যাচ 3 একবার দেখুন কেউ নেই তো আজকে ক্লাস আছে একবার দেখুন কোথায় হচ্ছে দেখুন ব্যাচ 3 ক্লাসটা so let's start today 5th unit sorry children and women new unit. In new unit you have to complete motor development, exercise guidelines for different stage of growth, common postural deformities in these knock knees, flat foot, round shoulder, lordosis, kyphosis, bow legs, scoliosis and their corrective measures. And another one, sports participation of women in India, special consideration, menarche and menstrual dysfunction, female athlete trade, osteoporosis, amenorrhea, eating disorder. This is the syllabus from your new chapter. So today we discuss motor development. What is motor development? Actually motor development is chalk. Motor development. What is motor development? Motor development is the development of various movements and various organs of the body or motor skills. The development of movements and the development of motor skills, that is motor development. Motor development is two types. Fine motor development and gross motor development. What is fine motor development and what is gross motor development? Now, fine motor development is the development of small muscles, and gross motor development, the development of large muscles. For fine motor development, whenever a child learn catch anything, try to say something, lips movement, these are the fine motor development. The development of lip muscle, the development of the muscle of fingers, these are the fine motor development, because there the development is going on in small muscles. And the large motor development, whenever a child learn to sit, stand, walk, these are the development of gross motor development, because here large muscles are involved. Large muscles of leg muscle, hand muscle, these are the involved in gross motor development. So fine motor development and large motor development I have discussed. So Any queries in between them? Okay, now according to the age group, what are the motor developments are going on? Let's see. In the stage of 2 to 6 years, the basic locomotor skills are developed like jumping, hopping, and fine motor of eyes, hands, ball handling or holding the ball. These motor developments are going on in 2 to 6 years. After that, 7 to 10 years, the gross and fine motor developments are good and strong motor skills, better posture and balance, efficient in various movements, and late childhood in 12 to 13 years, there is so many motor developments are there. Stress activity, playing any games, small difference in boys and girls strength, various developments are there in between childhood stage. So we can see that in childhood stage there is 3 stages: early childhood, middle childhood and late childhood. Early childhood 2 to 6 years, middle childhood 7 to 10 years and late childhood 11 and 12 years. So in these 3 stages we have discussed that how many motor developments are there and what are the motor developments going on that time. In motor development, what factors are actually depends in what factors motor developments are going on. These factors are heredity, environment, nutrition, opportunity, reaction, postural deformities, sensory impairments, mental health, social skill, sleep, training and practice, gender, physical disability, obesity, social skills. These factors are basic things to happen motor development. In heredity, it is very common that if a son or daughter, that means if a child of any sports person where either any one of their parents or any both of their parents are belong in sports person, so there is a full chances or near about 100% chances to for the child that they must growing up very quickly as the heredity belongs in that condition or for a sportsman or sports activity. So their motor development will be going on too fast. In comparatively, if a child of any normal person, there is less chances in the comparison of both. So there is less chances to growing up the motor development so fast, but both of the cases there is going on the must have motor development, fine motor development and gross motor development both, but there is cases too fast and slow. This is the heredity, but it is not a fact that in normal person the motor development will be going on slow all the time. It is not a fact, but sometimes it will be going up fast as sportsman child or sports person child. Oppositely, sometimes it happened that sports person child's motor development can going up slow, but it is the near about 100% chances to going up fast for the child of sports person. It belongs in heredity. Another environment, we can see that child of high altitude, they can going up slow, so fastly as they are walking or any motor development is going on in a high altitude area, and whereas we are who are staying in the normal places, so there the motor development is comparatively slow with them. Next, the nutrition. It is a important thing that whenever you fulfill all of the nutrition for their child, they can going up so fastly, because the nutrition fulfill their calories and they helps to going up the motor development or motor movement. Next, postural deformities. If any child have postural deformities, they can going up or their motor development can going up slowly because the cause of physical deformities or postural deformities. As it the training and practice, if a child take training for the development or motor skill development, they can going up so fastly. It happened that you also can see that in the stage of junior childhood level, when you are in at 7 to 10 years or 7 to 12 years, you are playing with another boys, and those who are not playing at that time, their motor development is becomes slow and your motor development goes on so fast. That is in training period, every child can going up or their motor development can going up so fast. And gender, whenever in between boys and girls, they have the difference of gender, as it is the motor development also differ from between them, boys or girls. In boys motor development, their motor development is going fast fast from the girls to child. So these are the factors which affect the motor developments. Can you understand the factors which affect the motor developments? So thank you. Who is sharing the screen? Please don't do that. Don't share your screen. Now from up to this, there is few questions that is you must answer for this question. Which development is motor development? The options are, question is which development is motor development, and the options are sense organs, B. bones and muscles, C. disorder development, and fourth, postural deformities. হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ বলো। 102 কী করছে? আচ্ছা, আমি তো ক্লাসে আছি। রুম তো ফাঁকা থাকার কথা নয়। আচ্ছা, তুমি এক কাজ করো তো, মেশিন থেকে পাওয়ার কেবলটা খুলে দাও। পাওয়ারটা অফ করবে না, পাওয়ার কেবলটা খুলে দাও অন থাকা অবস্থাতেই, দিয়ে লাগাও, দিয়ে অন করে দেখো তো কী হয়। Now this is not D, this is B, bones and muscle development is motor development. Now next question, select the right number of motor skill development in children. Option A 2, option B 4, option C 6 and option D 1. 2, 4, 6, 1. Motor skill development in children. B, that means 4. I think this is A 2, gross motor development and fine motor development. Next, painting, catching activities are the example of painting, catching activities are the example of A, gross motor skills, B, fine motor skill, C, sensory motor skill, and D, bone and muscle development. B, fine motor skills. Thank you, Sujit. Now, Anubhav, it is B, fine motor skills. Gross motor skills, that is large muscle development, that means walking, jumping, hopping, sitting, these are the gross motor development. And fine motor developments where the small muscles are involved, the muscles of fingers, muscles of lip, these are the small muscles. When painting, that means involvement of your muscles of fingers. Catching, they both are the activities of fine motor developments. Next question, question for 3 marks. Define motor development and its types. Define motor development and its type. You can complete the answer in your copy. After that, in next class, you will show me for a click a shot or snapshot of your copy, then upload it in chat box. I will see it. Next question. For the 5 marks, what are the factors which affects motor skill development? What are the factors which affects motor skill development? So these 2 questions you can complete after the class. In next class, you will must show me. You will take snap of your copy, then upload it in chat box. I will see it. Okay. So today's class up to this. After that, we will come in next class with various postural deformities. Today I just take an introduction, give an introduction of postural deformities. What is postural deformities? Posture means your body or your physically, that is the posture. If there is any deformities, that means your posture is not perfect, that is the deformities. You can say that, sir, some of the person which belongs big tummy, that is a deformities. No, that is not a deformities, but that is also a example of obesity, but that is not a deformity. The another word that is just came to know that for the obesity, obesity is also a factor which affects motor development. So deformity is like knock knee. Knock knee means whenever you stand in attention position, in between 2 knees there is a small gap. But those who have no gaps between it, they have knock knee. As they are walking, their knees touch each other. That is knock knee. Bow leg. Bow leg means leg bent outside. That means if both legs are like this, but due to bow leg, the legs like bent outward or outside. There is postural spinal cord deformities. That means spinal deformity. There is 3 types: lordosis, kyphosis, and scoliosis. Because we know that spinal cord is a straight manner, but sometimes it bends either right or left or front or back. According to this, the deformity is divided in 3 types: lordosis, kyphosis, and scoliosis. What are they? We will discuss in next class. So till then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe. Next class we will start soon. ম্যাথ করাবে।